to show the refraction through a lens, we first of all draw a convex lens, and while drawing the convex lens, please make sure that the curvature on both the sides should be drawn same. We'll draw a line first, straight line, and at the center draw a dotted line showing the middle point of the lens. At 2 cm distance from O, put a mark F1, and 2 cm mark from O you will be putting as F2. That means F1 and F2 are two focal points of the convex lens. To show the converging nature of the convex lens, we will be drawing two parallel rays. Now one of the ray you will be drawing above the principal axis, this is the principal axis, and one of the ray above the principal axis and other parallel ray below the principal axis. And always the rule says, if a ray is parallel to the principal axis, it has to pass through second focal point. Similarly, this parallel ray will have to pass through the second focal point F2. Because both these parallel rays are converging at a point F2, so we say the convex lens is having converging nature. That means a convex lens is a converging lens. On the same basis, if we have to draw the diagram for concave lens, we'll be drawing the concave surface this side as well as the concave surface on the other side, and in the middle we'll be drawing a dotted line showing the half portion of the lens. From the middle point there is a line drawn which is the imaginary line, and we call it as a principal axis. From the point O, the optical center of the concave lens, take a distance 2 cm on this side, and you can take 2 cm distance on the other side also. In concave lens, F2 is taken on the left hand side and F1 is taken on the right hand side, so that we have the same points understood on the basis of convex lens as well as concave lens. Again, for concave lens also, we'll be taking a ray parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis, so I'm taking a ray parallel to the principal axis, and the ray appears to be coming from F2 point. That means the lens will make it moving outward, and the person who receives this ray has a feeling as if the ray is coming from F2 point. That means I can say, if any time a ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, it appears to be coming from F2 point. The another parallel ray we are taking parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis, so the parallel to the principal axis, again the ray will appear to be coming from F2 point in case of concave lens. That means these two rays are diverging. They are appearing to be coming from F2 point. They appear to be coming from point F2. They diverge from a point, and as a result we call it as diverging nature of a concave lens. So if I repeat, I can say a convex lens has converging nature because it is bringing two parallel rays at a point. It is converging the rays at a point, and in concave lens the rays appear to be coming from F2 point, meaning the two rays, they diverge from a point. That's the reason a concave lens has diverging nature.